Okay guys, so I had this problem with this speaker. My where you're supposed to charge it, it wasn't making good contact, so I wasn't able to fix it. What I did, I tear that apart and I welded the wire straight to the main source where you're supposed to charge. Right now it's been plugged about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and the battery is fully charged already. Before it used to take about 45 minutes to an hour, but now basically this is gonna how it's gonna be for now on. To open it, you have to tear this little glue. There's one bolt here, and there's two more on this side. Take out those four bolts. And I'm just gonna leave the wire through the hole here. When you put it in the bag, it needs to go in an angle. This side first, where the charger, the LED light is, and then also where the auxiliary hole is. So you line up the LED and the auxiliary first. Then you plug these little connectors on this side. Line up the wiring back in place. Okay, we have two of these little guys holding the circuit. So we can see here, this is the black wire that I welded that goes with this black wire here, and then the red wire I welded with the red wire. Now to put back this cover, you're gonna find these little openings on this side. There's a big opening and a small opening that matches with this. So you just go straight down like that, and you just put the bolt. this repair, you won't have the charging lighting on because you're bypassing this connector. Alright, so this is it, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave comments and don't forget to subscribe.